Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. This serum is definitely worth the hype. This cruelty-free serum helps to repair the visible signs of aging and stimulates collagen production for smoother, brighter and firmer skin. It also fades dark spot ingredients that make the difference. It contains 15% vitamin C, good for youthful radiance and restores the skin. It makes the skin tone even. While vitamin E and frolic acid fight the signs of old age, protecting against environmental damages, hyaluronic acid helps preserve moisture, lock in hydration, full-size volume, 20 ml, worth of $52. How to use. Apply once or twice daily after cleansing, toning, and exfoliating. Dispense 2 to 3 drops and add to your favorite moisturizer or serum. May also be used alone. For daytime, follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen rated SPF 30 or greater. Final thought. It absorbs very quickly and leaves no residue on my skin, and most importantly, it doesn't sting. Product layers well with moisturizers, no stickiness either. It does have a very mild smell. I used it alone, but if you have sensitive or dry skin, you can also add it to your moisturizer or hyaluronic acid serum while using. If you are looking for non-irritating, quick absorbing, and effective vitamin C, this one is for you. I couldn't find anything more effective to give my skin a glow, plus a solid antioxidant protection. And at the same time, it improves the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Gives brighter skin. Vitamin C clearly brightens the skin, improves dark skin, and targets any concerns from wrinkles to acne. Light and liquid formula absorbs quickly. Use on its own, or add to your moisturizer or serum. Give skin a boost with 15% vitamin C for dramatically brighter, younger-looking skin. Thanks for watching.